Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a custom video thumbnail to your video via Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Facebook and a like page and a video and a thumbnail that we will be uploading. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Creator Studio via a shortcut on the Bookmarks tab. Wait for that to load. Meta Business Suite. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Now let's go to Create Post. Bulk upload videos. We want to upload a video. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's just click on 585. Mac Computer Terminal Commands Tutorial 10. Compiling a C program. Click on this. Upload. Wait for that to upload before we publish the video. Let's now go to a new tab. Go to YouTube Studio. Let's now extract some information from our YouTube channel. Let's now go to content. Let's now navigate to that video. This will now be fast forwarded. Let's now click within details. Extract the title. Go back to Facebook Creator Studio. Click on More Edit Options. Paste that title. Command V. Take the description. Paste the description. And now we can upload an image as part of this tutorial. Let's go back to YouTube Creator Studio. In that video options, download that thumbnail, right click, save image as, let's just call it 10.jpg, enter, close this tab, go back to Facebook, Creator Studio, upload the image, click on that image, change the icons, click on upload. That image has been uploaded. Now let's choose a couple of tags. Let's now click on next. Click on next again. Add to a playlist. Terminal commands for Mac users. Click on this. Now click on save. Let's now click on publish. Processing your post. This may take a moment. That's fine. Your bulk video uploading is processing. Your videos will be shared based on your selected publishing options. That's okay. Let's now click on done. Let's now turn the attention back to Facebook Creator Studio. Go within content. And here we have that video uploaded to our account with the thumbnail on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.